In this video, I will show you how to add reviews on CJ Dropshipping to the Shopify store. First, you have to open your browser, like Google Chrome, Firefox, or others. On the search bar, type cjdropshipping.com and press enter. Make sure to log into your CJ Dropshipping account first. Go to the dashboard option. Choose any of the products you like. It will open that product on another tab. On the other hand, search for CJ Dropshipping. Click on Login here. Choose any product shown here. In the buyer's review, select the export review option. It will download the reviews as documents. On another tab, open admin.shopify.com. Here, click on the apps shown on the left side of the screen. Then search for product reviews. It will open the Shopify App Store and provide you with different options. Choose the Mag Product Review app. Install this app by clicking on Install. After its complete installation, click on All Reviews shown on the left side of the screen. Choose the Import Review option. It will provide different options. Hit on Shopify Reviews. After that, choose the file you want to insert. Click on Insert and it will insert all the reviews here. You can compare it with the CJ Dropshipping website. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.